In this guide, we're going to go over how you can fix Fall Guys crashing or not working here on PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is actually open up your Epic Games launcher. And I actually have Fall Guys through Steam since I originally purchased it through there, but you're going to want to open it up on Epic Games launcher. Instead, go to your library and find the little three dots next to Fall Guys and select it. Since I have Fall Guys through Steam, I'm going to use Rocket League as an example, but select those three dots and go ahead and hit Manage. From here, select Verify Files. This is going to scan your in-game files and automatically re-download anything that is missing or corrupted. If your crash is file related, this will fix it. What you can also do is come to this exact same section and reinstall anti-cheat. So go in and find this little folder and open it up. And once it does open, find the easy anti-cheat folder in here. And this is not going to be on the Rocket League demonstration, but essentially find it, delete it, then go back to Epic Games, hit verify again, and this will reinstall any of those missing components properly. What you could also do is run it as an administrator, and this is the exact same thing. So you need to open up the installation location and then go in and find the app itself for Fall Guys. So scroll down, find that app, right click on it, and what you're going to want to do is open up properties and then go to compatibility just like so, and check the option that says run this program as administrator, as well as disable full screen optimizations. Hit apply, hit OK, and then relaunch your game. If it's still crashing though, go ahead and just fully uninstall it and then reinstall it, and that should fix your issue. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.